I've been working in between the biomedical engineering department, where my formal degree is from, but then also getting involved in Carver College of Medicine and UIHC research labs. There's really a diversity of thinking and experiences, and together that really gives us a unique ability to solve problems, address our hypotheses, come up with new computational algorithms to understand biomolecular structure and function, both in the context of understanding human genetics, also ultimately designing new therapeutics.
Our lab has been focusing on emissions of potentially toxic air pollutants for some time. Lately, we've been very interested in the linkage between identifying the emissions, understanding the human health risk associated with those emissions, and designing strategies for remediation.
The main focus of our research is computational biomedical imaging. We do a lot of work with magnetic resonance imaging, so MRI. In our group, we are trying to come up with a high-resolution imaging method, especially for Alzheimer's disease, which will allow us to see tiny differences in subregions of the brain and hopefully reduce the time that is needed to detect them and allow us to see the effect of drugs and other interventions.
And for the past 8 years, I've been building my research program here using regenerative medicine techniques to create solutions for wound healing, but also to create better in vitro models that allow us to explore the toxic effects of chemicals in the lab and understand them before they get out into the world and an environment where they can harm people.
My lab in particular, we're really interested in understanding how we can take drug compounds that already exist out in the world and make them more effective at doing their job. Work in my lab really crosses across a lot of different disciplines. We end up working with a lot of different people, a lot of different groups across the university, because we all have slightly different perspectives and slightly different expertise that we're bringing to the table that can really help us solve these much larger problems that I, on an individual basis, may not be able to tackle by myself.